Some of you know that I've been learning how to 3D print so I can print textures and cutters to use for my polymer clay jewelry and creations and everything. And I'm just learning along the way. I do a couple of tutorials and then I mess around and then I want to figure out something else. And YouTube is a wonderful thing for that. Anyway, I just learned something. And I know many of you out there who've been 3D printing for a while, you're just going to laugh that I found out how to do this. And it is a game changer for me. And that is how to create labels that attach to my cutters. And then I can put a label on that cutter so that I know which cutter it is, especially when you've got a pair like these two cutters who go together. Yeah, this is just... This is a game changer. So let me show you how I'm doing that. All right, so I am in the solid surface window in Fusion 360. And what I'm going to do is click on Create and go down to Emboss. And then the sketch profiles, I actually select the text I want to emboss. And then the face is the label that I have created. And that's just a box that is 1 millimeter high, just like I make the base of the cutters is 1 millimeter high. And then I am going to have it embossed instead of debossed, and I do want it 2 millimeters high, so the label comes up 1 millimeter on top of the label. And then I just click OK. And then let me show you this. This is just, like I said, a game changer. Just let me change my view here. Look at that. That's how it's going to print. Yes, it's going to be wonderful. So I'll be able to label all of my cutters and not just be going through my cutters and saying, oh, I think this is this one's whatever, because on my files, I will name them the same thing as what the label is. So this is just outstanding, wonderful, amazing. Anyway, thank you for indulging me.